welcome back to my channel. Today we have a Sephora haul. So I've been trying to be on a schedule, you know, like posting Tuesday, Friday, but I had to get this video up before the sale was over. So I don't even know if schedules are gonna work for me. And I'm putting lotion on my dry hands because they are crusty and y'all don't need to be seeing that. You just don't. So welcome back. This is gonna be kind of a quick mini haul. Normally you're used to seeing like huge elaborate hauls, but this is what I've purchased so far for the sale, and I know that the sale's about to end. I'm really bad about like getting everything right at the very beginning because like I wait till the last minute to do my online order. So I tried to just do the most that I could in the store that I could find. I went into Sephora the other night. It was like a Friday night. Now it's Sunday and the store was about to close, so I didn't have much time. I was panicking. I was just throwing things in my basket, and this is what I ended up with. Usually I'll go in my cart too, like on the Sephora app, and I'll, you know, go through and try to see if anything that I have online is in store. But anyways, I was just panicking. This is what I got. I thought I'd show you guys just to give you some inspiration before the sale ends. I think the sale ends tomorrow. Right now it's Sunday, November 10th. So I'm gonna try to get this up ASAP. And I'm gonna make it really quick so that I can edit it as fast as I can, because the last thing I wanna do is edit a really long video, and that makes it harder for me to get it up in the first place. So anyways, yes. So if you live in the Nashville area like I do, I went to the Green Hills Sephora and I got some goodies and I'm really excited about it. And of course I'll do a part 2 whenever my stuff online comes in, because I am sure I'm gonna be doing an online haul unless everything I have in my cart is sold out already. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like hauls, if you like my videos. Subscribe, sign up for alerts by clicking the little bell by my name, and go follow me on Instagram, please. That'd be amazing. I love to share my daily activities with you on my stories. So, and just so you know, everything that I mentioned in the video will be linked down below. So if you're interested in purchasing online, go ahead and check out those links and use Rakuten, also known as like the Ebates. I think it changed the name over, if you want to earn cash back. Love you guys so much, and let's get into the haul. Okay, so the first line of business, the first order of business that I'm gonna share with you, I don't know if I talked about this on Instagram or not, but I got the Isle of Paradise not mist, it's the foam, like the foam mousse, the mousse, yeah. So I got the mousse, and I do self-tanning every now and then. I really need to do it actually because I'm feeling quite pale. So I got this mousse like earlier before the summer, like the last sale. And I used it like one time, I swear. And then it was summer and I was trying to like be outside more and using SPF and all that, but I like the vitamin D and I like to be outside. So I didn't really need to be self-tanning a whole lot. So I started self-tanning again, and I go to use the pump and the pump's not working. I used it like one time and I go again, and I'm literally about to go on a trip the next day. And I always tan like at nighttime and I sleep in my tan, then the next day I shower it off or I rinse it off. But I go use it, and the worst thing ever is when it's like 2 o'clock in the morning when I'm trying to do my tan before I go to bed, the pump's not working, and I'm like, well crap, I gotta be on a flight tomorrow or whatever it is, you know, and I don't have time to go run to the store. Anyways, that being said, I brought the tanner back, and usually they're kind of weird about returns. Like, I tried to return online one time, and that was actually kind of better. It was easier. I didn't have to deal with anybody. But, and no offense if you work at Sephora, I kind of throw shade to a lot of Sephora employees, and I probably shouldn't. I'm just trying to be funny, I guess. But I really do mean it. Like, something in my soul, like I just don't like most of the people that work at Sephora. I don't click with them. There are a couple that I have clicked with and that I like. Secretly, I don't know if they really like me back. But I luckily brought my tanner back, and it was like leaking everywhere, and I had it like in a bag. It was kind of gross. Like, I don't blame the girl for thinking it was gross either. Like, she was not very, I understand it was a lot of things that I shouldn't have been there that late, but I was in Crate and Barrel getting a bunch of wine glasses that I want to show you guys as well. So this is my problem, I talk too much. Anyways, if you're ever wondering about returning something to Sephora, just do it, because like I spent a lot of money. I have like 6,000 points right now, and I'm like, y'all, if something doesn't work out for me, or if it has a malfunction, I'm going to take it back and get a new one, because, you know, this shit's expensive. So anyways, this is Isle of Paradise, and I work hard for my money. Okay, Emily, shut up. I got the Isle of Paradise Dark Glow Clear Self-Tanning Mousse. They didn't have like the old packaging. I guess this is a new packaging. Now it's clear, which I don't know how I feel about clear self tanner. Let me know what you think. I don't love clear self tanner because you can't see where it's going. And I'm like, did I get that spot? And I feel like it gets patchy. So you know what? I don't even know why I got this in the first place, whatever. I just was like, I can't use the other one. It's just not, and she switched it out. She wasn't very nice about it, but that's okay. That's fine. She did it. I got what I wanted and it was fine. So moving on to the next thing, I decided to get this Patrick Ta Major Glow On The Go Duo. I felt like it was a good value for what you got. I wasn't like crazy obsessed with the body oil when I, tried it in the store whenever it came out, but the lip glosses are so pretty. And for the life of me, I cannot remember if I have a lip gloss or not. I'm like, I have a pile of Sephora Haul stuff from my last haul, from the last sale, that I haven't like gotten to yet, which is terrible. I'm not sure if I'll have time to swatch anything. I'm actually running late to work right now, which is what else is new. Oh, there we go, it's coming out. So this is what it looks like. You get the body oil and the lip gloss, which I'm all about a nice body oil. I don't use them obviously as much in the winter because I'm not showing as much skin, but I love a nice body oil. It smells kind of interesting. Just a nice little sheen. And then we have the lip gloss in She's Expensive. I love Patrick Ta's, like the packaging and just everything about it is so pretty. Oh, this gloss is so pretty. I would put it on top of mine right now, but I don't want to mess it up. That's the gloss right there. Yes, so pretty. I'm pretty sure I have one. I really don't remember. I'm like, can any of you guys remember if I hauled a gloss? Because I can't remember. I just can't for the life of me. All right, let's keep going. There's not a whole lot. It's just a few things. I wanted to just show you what I did get. And of course I'll do another haul whenever I get my online order. The sale will probably be over and I feel really bad about that, but it's just how I do things around here. I like to get that Rakuten cashback honey. And if you didn't watch my last video, which I was telling you guys my Sephora haul recommendations and all that, then you should watch it and also use the Rakuten. And if you don't have that for cashback, if you're shopping online, go down and use my code to sign up because you get $10 immediately if you sign up. So just a little Rakuten plug in there. I got a lot of lip products here. So my lips have been like super dry. I've told you guys I have dry skin, but my lips have been like crazy dry and they've kind of healed at this point, luckily. But I decided I wanted to get a little lip, like some lip recovery type stuff because yeah, my lips just need to be like in good condition, I feel like. And in the winter months when it gets cold outside, like my skin just does not react well to it at all. So I decided to get this Bite Beauty lip kit. I've tried, I think, most of this stuff. I've tried the mask, I've tried the Agave lip balm stuff. And I really like Bite products. I think they're really good. I like a good mask at nighttime whenever I go to sleep. Just to have something like thick on there. And this was only $14 before the sale, so I feel like it was a good value for little minis. I feel like this would have been a good, like a little reward point thing, but it wasn't. So you get the 0.24 ounces of the Agave Nighttime Lip Therapy right here, which is great. This is just something I can have like in my nightstand before I go to bed. And then this is something more so I'd carry in my purse and wear throughout the day. This is the Agave, it's like a lip balm. I have the bigger version, but this is just the small little mini. Some people don't like minis and I really don't mind a mini, you know what I mean? Like I like to travel with them. I like to keep them in my bag. It's small and it's cute and I'm a fan. And this mask, this lip mask is the best ever. This is the Agave lip mask. I'm sure a lot of you guys have tried it and or have heard about it because it really is like such a great mask. It's really thick and like it's one of those things you'll put on your lips and then the next day you'll wake up and your lips are still has the mask on it. My least favorite thing is putting on like a lip balm before I go to bed. I wake up and my lips are like crusty. I'm like, you didn't do what you were supposed to do. You know what I mean? Something else that I found, speaking of lips, this is my last lip product. I found this. My favorite thing, which I talked about in my last video, is like all the value sets. Like I love the value sets that come out during holiday season. And I recently have been trying the JOUER Essential Lip Care, like the lip balm stuff. And I saw that they had this little value set with a like lip, what is this called? Maxi Lip Enhancer Shine Balm. So the fact that I can use one for kind of like treating my lips and one for like the color. Ooh, I like the packaging, it's cute. I really like that a lot. It's a little bit mini. Wait, no, I think this is like the full-size version. I have this in my nightstand and I put this on my lips every night. So I thought I'd kind of switch it up and try the Bite one too. I saw that the Bite has like the lip mask in other colors too, so I might do that to like wear like, you know, as I'm out. Because sometimes if I feel like my lips are too dry, I don't want to put like just a regular lip gloss on, or like definitely not a lipstick, definitely not a matte lip if my lips are too dry. So maybe I'll get the Bite lip mask in a different color. Let me know what you guys, if you guys have tried that down below. Thinking about maybe the champagne color, maybe the berry color, I don't know. But I love the lip enhancer, it's really good. I like to wear it before I go to bed. I love the Milk one too, by the way, like the Milk, the green lip product. I love that with the metal silver applicator. Oh, so good. I'll link that one down below too, because that one's so good and I keep that in my purse and I put it on at work a lot. I love that, and I love a good minty lip as well. So this is the JOUER, it's in Rose. It's the Essential Lip Enhancer Shine Balm, and I'll show you the color of it. Oh, this reminds me of like that Quench Rescue formula from Tarte, which I love. It just melts right on. Oh, it's so pretty. I can't really smell. That might be the Patrick Ta stuff, I can't really tell. But I'm really glad I got this for 25 bucks and then the 20% off. Like it's a good deal for the quality. I like JOUER a lot. I'm really digging it. That color is really pretty too. Very wearable with a pop of color. Now these two next products I'm super excited about, and I'll tell you why I stumbled upon this. So I'll first show you, it's the Benefit Cookie Highlighter, and I'll swatch it after I talk about it, and then the California Blush. Like I literally don't, like I have not heard anything about this, and I probably live under a rock, but I've heard tons about the Cookie Highlighter. So I'm looking at highlighters and I stumble upon Bobbi Brown and I see the Golden Hour highlight and I'm like, ooh, that's so pretty. And I kind of swatched it and I was like, oh, it's pretty, and I put a little bit on. I was like, oh, it's pretty, but something's missing. Like for a $50 highlighter, I don't really think I'm gonna like go for that. And then I was like, oh, I remember the Cookie Highlighter. Jaclyn Hill was talking about it, and I've heard so many people actually talk about it, and the reviews are like way better on this than they are compared to the Bobbi Brown Golden Hour. So I was like, you know what, let's just do it. And as much as I love the little packaging, it just reminds me of this glamorous like Hollywood packaging. It's kind of a little bit annoying because it's like deep down in there, but at the same time, I can appreciate it because then it's not flying everywhere, like it's kind of kept down in there. I kind of have a love-hate relationship, you know what I mean? So the packaging is just like that typical Benefit packaging. You know, we all used to use the Hoola bronzer. This is a very like icy highlight with pink undertones in there. It's absolutely gorgeous. Like just swatching it, it's so icy. Like on my finger, you're like just straight ice, you know? Oh, it's absolutely stunning. Like I want to put it on. I shouldn't have like done my makeup. I should have just put this on, but that's what a first haul or a first impressions video is for. Oh, you guys, this highlighter is so pretty. And I think it's good that I got this during this time of year where I'm not going to be as tan, because this to me is going to look good on like not as deep skin tones. Like it's gonna be good on like more light skin tones. So yes, honey, I'm excited about this. I absolutely love it, and I love cookies too. I wish I had a cookie right now, because I do actually, from Trader Joe's. I do. Okay, the next thing from Benefit is gonna be this California Golden Pink Blush, and I saw this and was like, oh damn, oh hot damn, I need this. It is pretty. Super pretty. I got the smaller one because it was basically the same price to get the small or the big. If it's like a major, like you don't get the value out of it, if you get the smaller one, I won't do it. Like I just can't. But it was like $16 for the mini, which was half the size of the bigger one. And so it was like basically the same. It was like $1 off or something. Look at that packaging. Look at the detail. I'm obsessed. I love a good golden pink blush. This color was just absolutely stunning to me. And I'm always, you know, a little bit like concerned, like, is the color gonna be the same, you know, when I get home compared to the testers, because the testers I feel like are a little bit off with the lights or something. But look at that blush, y'all. This, with my skin tone, I feel like is gonna be so pretty. It's just so peachy with that golden hint to it. Absolutely love it. I die for a peach blush. It's like a peachy pink. Well, it says pink, doesn't it? Golden pink. Yeah, it is kind of more pink, huh? It's kind of like a peachy pink. No, it is kind of more pink. I can't really tell. Anyways, it's pretty. Whatever color it is, it's pretty. I die for it. I live for it. I live for it. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know which saying. Okay, so yeah, I only have one more thing left, and it's gonna be lashes. This is a repurchase that I'm doing, that I hauled actually the last haul that I did, and I love them so much that I bought them again. These are probably my favorite lashes at Sephora right now. This is the House of Lash Sephora collection. It is in the style Natalia. Absolutely love these. So I will say these remind me kind of like the House of Lash Iconics in a way. They're not as like small, they're kind of like big in the middle, if that makes sense, like more long in the middle. I'll take them out so you guys can have a better look. This is probably my favorite out of like all the lashes that I've shared at Sephora, other than the Huda Beauty, because the Huda Beauty are just can do no wrong. I don't know if y'all can see that. I feel like I need to do the hand. Yeah, the hand, bring the hand in. Yeah, these are absolutely stunning, so pretty. Like I said, they remind me a lot of the House of Lash ones. Wait. These are House of Lash, duh. But they remind me of the Iconics. These are the Natalia, you know what I mean? These are $14 before the sale, I believe. So not too bad. That's it. I love those lashes. I love everything that I got. Like, I know it's not that much. I only spent like around 100 something, and then, you know, not including that tanner because I exchange it. So I spent like 117 with the sale. Not too bad, because I got a lot of decent stuff. But yeah, just keep in mind, I will be doing a part 2. I'm gonna be ordering some stuff online, like I said, unless everything just sells out and I can't. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed the haul. Let me know what you got from the Sephora sale down below in the comments. And also let me know if there's something else I need to get before the sale ends, because I will be shopping online. Watch my recommendation video if you have not. It's a couple videos down. I will link it down below if I can remember. But I will link all the products that I talk about down below. So if you're interested in shopping online, go do that. Sign up for the Rakuten. It used to be called Ebates. You'll get that $10 off your first order, your first transaction. So sign up. I love you guys so much. And of course, subscribe, like this video, follow me on Instagram. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.